as days passes by, and most long for a place that they never find. I'm afraid I wake up when I die, and it is too late to climb any mountain. Time is of the essence, the blood running through our core. It's best to not feel sorry when it's over. I will be the greatest that you've ever seen before, and I'll stay eternal.
Okay, I think it's working now. Sorry if you were watching, I couldn't get my audio figured out. I just got my mic turned on. So, let's get started. Tonight, I'm going to be working through Hack the Box Nibbles, and I'm doing another OSCP Dry Run. So here are the 5 boxes that were randomly selected for me. I'll be working through Nibbles, Blue, Chatterbox, Heist, and Sauna. We're starting off with Nibbles, and it looks like it's up and running. We got an IP. Let's get logged into Cali. Ha, ideas. Do you run these on a VM? There's my answer. Yeah. So, we're doing Hack the Box, and I have a VM of Cali. So we got the VPN up and running already, I think. I was just working on Hack the Box yesterday, and I never disconnected, so we're already connected. Let's get auto recon started. Get rid of some of the old options and update it. Oh, we need to make a directory actually. Make der Nibbles. And then did I copy the IP? Sure did. Perfect. And I'm gonna start a cherry tree note. So I've been using cherry tree. Before that I was using Markdown. And don't worry, everyone has issues with the name. It's pronounced like Hades, but the Gaelic spelling of it. Okay, well, nice to meet you, Hades. Sorry about that. My American brain says ha ideas. But it's good to meet you. Thanks for joining. We're going to create a node for Nibbles. We'll add a subnode with the IP address because I'm a forgetful person. And then we'll add another subnode under Nibbles. Get ready to anyway. And it looks like we got 2 ports open. Ha ha ha, I've heard that so many times. I'm sure you have. Alright, port 80, port 22. We're going to check out the web service and see what's going on. Hello world, very interesting, right? Some static HTML, it looks like. Oh, look at that. A comment. Always good to check out the source. And then we're also gonna, powered by Nibbleblog, I've never heard of that. We're also gonna look for robots.txt, might as well. Nothing. Alright, let's look for one here. Nothing. Alrighty. Nibble blog. I've never heard of that. Let's look into it. SQL injections, arbitrary file upload with Metasploit. We're going to try to avoid Metasploit. There are no posts. It says it's powered by Nibbleblog. We don't have a version. Let's see what goes on when we click through some of this stuff. Apache 2418, PHP. Would love to learn how to do these. Just started on my certs. I'm halfway through A+ now. Still have net and sec to do, but found courses for PEH, GRC, and a few others. Yeah, I mean, it's definitely good that you're watching then. I wish I would have, when I started out, had the ability. I didn't even realize people stream stuff like this. So I just kind of read a bunch of blog posts, but it's really cool to have this kind of a passive activity, but you can still be involved. So so we do have a couple parameters here. We might be able to try to do like SQL injection on those. That's all I'm seeing so far. Looks like we have a feed.php and then just the top of the page again. That doesn't seem very interesting, but can we specify, whoops, what if we could specify this feed.php as the controller, if that's just a file hanging out in the index? We could also try going to that. Blog.php? No. What if we put index here? Page doesn't exist. Well, let's read about this SQL injection and see. 35865. What just happened? Numlock was off. That's what happened. 35865. Nibbleblog is prone to multiple SQL injection vulnerabilities because the application fails to properly sanitize user-supplied input before using it in a SQL query. A successful exploit may allow an attacker to compromise the application, access or modify data, or exploit vulnerabilities in the underlying database. Nibbleblog 3.0 is affected. Other versions may also be vulnerable. Here's an example. Page equals. All right. It looks like we could do it on the page and the ID post. Can we specify page? Let's try here. That didn't do anything. Let's see if we can do index.php page equals blog. How do we get to that hello world? That seems like it would be a page. Maybe not. Is that just text? Do we have any directories in the scan results? Found the index page. Got some info back from an Nmap scan. Nothing too crazy in here. It seems pretty. Found the Nibbleblog directory. Nothing in there. That was all of it. All right. Yeah, I guess we'll just have to try to use the SQL injection. You can specify category. Interesting. Oh, not as interesting as I thought. Yeah, it says there are no posts for everything. Powered by Nibbles. This has already got me scratching my head. Should do another Durbuster. See if there's anything else we're missing here. And we'll let that run in the background. I guess I could use Burp Suite or something to fuzz. Let's turn on Firefox proxy, and then we'll do shoot, I don't even remember what the controller was supposed to be. Oops, forgot that that was turned on. Let's turn that off for a minute, and we'll figure out what the parameters were in the beginning. So we go to Nibbles, and then we had to have clicked on one of those. Controller is blog, action is view, category is uncategorized. So category or 1 equals 1, that seems like it should work. That's a different error message. That might just be because we're giving it invalid category. So can we use name? Name equals that, or 1 equals 1. We're gonna have to come up with some kind of crazy SQL query if this is supposed to be SQL injection. Let's do one of these, and we'll send this to intruder, and then we'll get rid of everything, and we'll set a position here, and we'll fuzz for SQL injection, hopefully. Add payloads, load. We're gonna use, should be, maybe we'll use the seclist one. Oops. Need to go into user, share, seclist, fuzzing, SQL injection, generic SQL injection.txt. And I think we could just run it. We'll see what happens. I'm kind of nervous about that PHP session ID. If it's going to catch us and get mad or something. But we'll let that run. Hopefully there's no firewall that's going to kick us out for too many requests. Turn off intercept. There's a home page. Not really seeing too much on here. Found an icons folder. Good stuff. Hunterbot, hey, haven't seen you stream in a bit. Yeah, Hunterbot, I've been kind of a lazy pile lately. I don't know if I was getting burnt out or what was going on, but I didn't feel like it, you know? And I've been pretty busy the past couple weekends too, so went and saw family a couple times. That was good to take a break and kind of decompress, spend time with family. But I'm back now. I did change the schedule a little bit. I'm only planning on streaming from 9 p.m. to midnight on Saturday nights now. Or maybe it was 9:30, I don't quite remember. If it's 9, I was way later than I thought I was. That's the plan going forward. I think tomorrow during the day I'll be able to stream a little bit too. I'm gonna try to work through this whole set of boxes, all 5 of these ones here, before the weekend's over. So I'll probably stream most of it. Working on Nibbles right now, which is surprisingly hard. I've already owned it, but it's rated extremely easy. Maybe I should look at some of these tests here, or not tests, tags. Nibble blog, they give you the directory there. Well, and the name of the service that was running. CVE. We'll look up the CVE, that'll be nice. It's probably going to be the SQL injection on Nibbleblog. Oh, file upload. Good thing I didn't waste a bunch of time on the SQL injection. So does that mean I have to use Metasploit for this? Or can I find the CVE in GitHub? That'd be cool. So we'll download this. We need a username and password for this to work? That doesn't make a whole lot of sense. I didn't even see a login portal. Ooh, admin.php. Let's give it a shot. Maybe we can break our way in. Hey, look at that. Let's try some credentials here. We'll do admin. Incorrect username or password. Administrator. I watch so many people hack, I know how to do boxes without having done them. That's funny. Well, don't give me any answers. I want to work through these. So, and I've done this one before, so I'm sure I'll get to it. But I probably did a walkthrough the first time around, to be honest. Username. It's not telling me correct usernames. Oh, what's this? Request a new password. An error occurred. Well, what is it sending? Send forgot. How does it know who's requesting it? Controller is user. There's no... That doesn't make a whole lot of sense. It doesn't know who requested it. Unless there's only one user. Oh, blacklist protection. Did we get kicked? Oh no, we pissed it off. Stop the attack. Retreat. Oh no, how do I turn it off? Stop. Pause. And then, yeah, I guess don't do that. Give it a minute. Or 2. Or 7. Oh no. Do we have to reset it now? You know, this seems like a good time for a break, so I'm going to take 5 minutes. And I hope you do too. Get up and walk around, move around, and we'll see you in a couple minutes.
Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch
Alright, we're back and I'm still blocked. We'll give it a refresh just to make sure, but oh no, I'm not blocked anymore. Okay. So don't fuzz this application. It's listening. We need to get credentials though. We're not going to be able to do that. I suppose there's not a default anywhere, is there? Yeah, username and password are required, so I guess we need to get past that first. I mean, we got quite a few requests in before it blocked us. Blacklist protection. So we got 104 requests in successfully before it blocked us. So maybe we can throw some credentials at it. Does that seem like the next best idea? I don't know. It's hard to say. They're really not giving us much here. Does the Metasploit module require credentials as well? This also requires a username and a password. Maybe we should look for some defaults. Nibble blog. Default credentials. Look, I've Googled this before. Oh, cool. Password is 123456. Well, not what I was looking for, but whatever. It shows us the password there. Let's give it a shot, make sure it's correct. Login.php. No. Admin.php. Admin 123456. Ooh, interesting. Administrator. Oh no. Alright, well, we'll have to keep looking then. Install.php. There are post variables to install Nibbleblog. Default password, admin's password, and plain text. No way, that'd be cool. Install.php. Plug already installed. Maybe you want to update. There's an update.php. We know the version now, 403. So yeah, we would be, we would know all this stuff if this came through, which we could probably push it a little bit by going and doing a new one. And we'll start with the directory Nibbleblog. Probably should have done that in the first place. And then we'll start it from there. Look at that, that was quick. Content. Open the config file. Shadowed up. What is going on here? Users.xml? Oh my goodness, all the things. see if we can open this. Oh, here we go. Username is admin. Session date. Blacklist IP. Ah, this is me. I'm being blacklisted. Fail count 4. It's keeping track of me. Alright, well, what do we do then? Do we just throw Hydra? We'll say our username is gonna be admin and our password from RockU. Goodness, we don't need a port number. We need the IP 10.10.10 10.10.10.75. Oh, I hit insert. HTTP post form. It's gonna be Nibble blog admin.php. And then I think the parameters were username and password, but I'll have to double check. Let's go with just a random username because I don't want to get myself blacklisted. Username and password. And our failure message is incorrect username or password. Incorrect username. And we'll set it to success first. We'll make sure that it's working. So we should get like 10 or 12 success messages depending on how many threads this is running on. Alright, so we have success messages. Good deal. We'll switch this over to failure now and let it run. We can trust that it's working because of those success messages. Haha, funny. Why did that happen? Are we getting blocked now? Is that... Fail count is 5. Why? That makes no sense. The number didn't change that time though. Blacklist protection. Shoot. Alright, since I'm getting blacklisted again, and I feel pretty stuck on this one, I'm gonna just take a break from this box. We'll move on to the next one. Next one is blue, so we'll power this guy down. And we'll go to blue. I feel pretty confident in my abilities to pop blue. If I struggle with blue, then we're all in trouble. Alright, blue is up and running. Maybe change it to success on 302. That's not a bad idea. I'll have to try that when it comes back on. Alright, so we're going to try blue now for a minute. We got Nibbles added to our notes already. And we didn't get very far on it. I guess we should update here though. Let's say port 80, we had Nibble blog. And we found CVE. Well, we kind of cheated and got it from Hack the Box tags, but we found an exploit. Here's the CVE right here. Found this. Version is 403. Need credentials. Exploit in opt. And then we'll get started on blue. And just for good measure, we'll go through and scan it. I know we're going to be using internal blue, and I'm probably going to be using a set of scripts that I have downloaded. We'll go into the dry runs folder. We're in number 3, and we'll make a directory called blue. And then we'll do a scan. Not Nikto. Excuse me, auto recon, that's what it is. Dry run 3 blue, and then we'll throw, oh man, got acid reflux. We'll throw the IP in here. The IP is 10.10.10.40. And Durbuster's all mad because we turned off this box. That's alright. This is an OSCP Dry Run. How are your earlier runs? Good question, HunterBot. So, here are the ones I've done so far. The first one I did, I streamed some of it, and I think this was 2 weekends ago, 2 or 3 weekends ago I did this one, and I kind of gave up. So Chatterbox had me stuck, but I probably could have finished it if I kept pushing. Same with Forest, but I was tired. I was done doing it. It was like Sunday night, and I said 80 points is good enough to pass. The second attempt was these ones, and I kind of worked through these this week actually. So I relaxed the 24-hour time limit. Probably not a very good idea, because that's one of the hard parts, is thinking really hard during the exam for 24 hours. But I did read something about planning some sleep time. Kind of gives you like 2 chances at it. So I think for the second attempt, I'm going to plan to have sleep time, like plan to take the exam and get a solid night of sleep during the exam. But so that's how they've gone so far. I would have passed both of them. This one took longer than 24 hours though. I did this like 1.5 machines a day probably throughout this week. That's how they're going so far, which is a lot better than previous dry runs I've done, as well as the first attempt when I only got the 30 points. Alright, that's scanning. Let's do crack map exec. SMB. Harris PC. Weird. Well, get ready to get owned, Harris.
I see the color in your eyes. She knows it's going down tonight. I'll make a move and try to roll the dice. She takes me straight to
Crap.
paradise.
I think it's in the opt folder.
I think that you're my
Maybe not. Auto blue. For some reason, I wanted to say that auto blue wasn't working, so I got some different set of scripts that worked a lot better. Yeah, Eternal Blue, that's what it is. Much better, okay. I don't remember how to use this. Let's run checker. Okay, let's run checker. And we'll give it the IP. Ah, is it supposed to be Python 2? It is Python 2, okay. Access denied. The target is not patched, but I also don't have access to those, are those named pipes? Is that what that is? Let's try it again. Access denied. Well, it says the target's not patched, so let's give it a shot. Send and execute.py. What do we do here? We need an executable file. Were there other payloads in this possibly? This is a huge exploit. We're at line 300 and we're only a quarter of the way through it. Let's just give it an executable. We'll make it happy. P Windows. I don't know what it is. Did CrackMap tell us? That would have been a while ago. Let's run it again. CrackMap exec SMB 10 10 10 40. X64 it says. Let's just go with the shell. We'll keep this appropriate for OSCP. Reverse TCP. I don't remember any of the syntax after that. We need to set an L host 10 10 16 3 L port 4444 format exe output exploit.exe. That would probably be more appropriately named as payload.exe. but that'll work. Python 2, send and execute. What is the syntax? We need the IP, and we need exploit.exe. Not found accessible pipe name. Alright, well, that's good. Let's try auto blue. I think we want shellcode. No. Yeah. And then run shell prep. lhost 10.10.16.3. lport quad 4s. lport, we'll do 4445. We want regular command shell, and we want stageless. Shellcode is done, woohoo! And now, I think, well, we could run exploit checker, I think. Eternal checker. I think this is written in Python 3. Target IP address. 10.10.10.40. We didn't get any errors that time. Let's try this ZZZ exploit. Still can't find accessible pipe names. Let's try. This is against Windows 7. We'll try Eternal Blue, exploit 7, and then see what the syntax there is. We need to do 10.10.10.40 and our shellcode. Shellcode. It's in shellcode, and I think we want to use all. SC all.bin. I've had this problem before. I probably need to have a listener going too. On quad fours.
Time after time, you're always right. Whoa. You never chase, yet hold me tight. Whoa.
Still nothing. We'll try 17, and if that doesn't work, I think we'll reset the machine and try that other script, because that other script has worked for me in the past. And to be honest, I think Auto Blue, I want to say that was failing for me on Blue last time I tried. Probably get rid of some of this Nibble blog stuff for a while. We'll leave that open. Might need that.
Don't speak when you spit your venom. Keep it shut. I hate it when you hiss and preach about your new messiah, 'cause your theories catch fire. I'm covering my ears like a kid when your words mean nothing. I go la la la. I'm turning up the volume when you speak, 'cause in my heart can't stop it. I find a way to fuck it. I go la 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 la. I find a way to fuck it. I go la 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 la. I'm covering my ears like a kid when your words mean nothing. I go la la la. I'm turning up the volume when you speak, 'cause in my heart can't stop it. I find a way to fuck it. I go la 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 la. If our love is running out of time, I won't count the hours. Rather be a coward when our worlds collide. I'm gonna drown you out before I lose my mind. I can't find your silver lining. I don't mean to judge, but when you read your speech, it's tiring. Enough is enough.
Bluest one I just use Metasploit on, it's just easier. Yeah, I agree. So from what I've read, the reason Metasploit works better is because of this numgram parameter. Apparently, when you run the Metasploit module, it tries a bunch of different entries for that numgram. So if it fails at 13, it moves up to 15 or something like that, and it just kind of brute forces that until it works. This script doesn't do that. This other set of scripts is supposed to. At least I think it was this one. But it's not working. So I think maybe we need to reset the box. We'll give that a shot. Oh, I tried to reset it and something went wrong. Oh no. Okay. I'm gonna get logged back in. I'm gonna take a break too. We'll be back in 5 minutes.
You mean it.
losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I were safe and sound. And we just slow down. For you and I were safe and sound. We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I were safe and sound. Can we just slow down? And we just slow waste another day. I'm on my play. You say we need a change. I feel that you need it. It's just so right. We're losing track of time, buying things online. It's not like we need them. Safe and sound. Never been one to do what I'm told. You're off limits, but I want you to know. You came with a warning, anyone but you. Now I know what you taste like, the things we could do. I've no self-control, yeah, I'm coming for you. So you better run, cause I'm coming to be the monster under your bed, your secret. You got me so I'm shameless. Get out of my head, get out of my head and into my under your bed. Secret. black and blue, but you know what I taste like, the things we could do. So fuck self-control, yeah, I'm coming for you. So you better run, cause I'm coming to be the monster under your bed, your secret. You got me so I'm shameless.
Alright, we're back. I rebooted the machine. Let's give this another shot. We'll do Python. I think this one was Python 2. No accessible pipe name. What on earth? I could have swore I used this script on blue, but it's saying there's no accessible pipe name. That was the same error we were getting from Auto Blue when we tried the Z exploit, right? Python 3, don't. Oh my gosh, I can't do anything right now. 10, 10, 10, 40. Auto recon's done, we'll get rid of that. Yeah, this is also looking for a pipe name, and the output looks almost identical. I wonder if it's the same script. Interesting. Well, do I have more things for Eternal Blue here? Those are the only ones I have. So one of those has to be the one I used last time. I guess we'll just try it again. This one's Python 2. No found accessible pipe name. Okay, just so I make sure I'm not crazy. We'll try Metasploit as well.
Started to fall, and where were you? How could I know you were falling too? Grabbing the wind, cutting my skin, but it's hard because I'm falling.
Triple 10, 40. And then I think we're good to run it. Set L host to tunnel 0. And then I have to get rid of the listener I have. Oh, if this works. My goodness. Oh, it failed. Okay, it's not just me. Something's wrong. Something's really wrong. Oh, no, it's just retrying with a different number of Grom allocations. Trying exploit with 17 Grom allocations. So we tried with 12 first, 12 failed. Trying with 17. And it failed with 17, now it's trying with, what, 22? Oh, I'm getting tired already. Failed with 22 gram allocations. What's it gonna do now? 44? Fail! Completely failed. Alright, it's not just us. Eternal Blue exploit is failing as well. Is it just broken? Am I using the right box? Oh. Let's try it again. Hopefully all those failures didn't crash it. Probably did. Oh. Oh no. Well, if this doesn't work, I'm gonna say we crashed it the first time and we'll have to try it again. But it's working with 12 gram allocations, apparently. Yeah. We'll just cancel that. We'll reboot the machine again. Cool. Come on, Eternal Blue. Pending reset. Well, this is just going smashingly, isn't it? Alright, it's rebooted. Give it a minute to boot up. Whoa! I guess we could do like nmap. Watch nmap. 10, 10, 10. 40. And we're gonna watch port 445. Try this again, huh? Oh, target is not vulnerable. So nmap is lying to us. It's not ready to go yet. Oh, there we go. I wonder if this end map is pissing it off. Give it one more shot. Okay, it worked. With 12 grams. It took 12 grams. That doesn't feel like a win to me. That feels like we just got Meterpreter using Metasploit. So, shoot. I don't feel good about it. Who am I? I don't even know how to use this. We're system. Well, that's good. So we've rooted the box using Metasploit. Let's try without Metasploit. We're gonna use 12 grams. Not all the grams. We're gonna use Auto Blue, and we'll do Python 3, Eternal Blue Exploit 7. We have to specify our target, 101040. And then where's our shell code? Shell all.bin. It's gonna try with 13. If this doesn't work, we'll try it with 12. If 12 doesn't work, we'll try it with 12 after rebooting. I gotta be able to exploit it manually, or I'm not giving up. No bueno. Alright. What do we do now? Reboot the machine. We'll try with 12 grams. This is ridiculous. Alright, well, this isn't very much fun. I'm gonna reset the machine, we'll try it again, and then I'm going to bed. I just don't have the energy for this tonight. If it worked right away, that'd be invigorating, and I would have probably kept going, maybe. Who knows? But I need to get some sleep tonight, and then I do plan on streaming during the day tomorrow, so I don't have it on the schedule. I don't know exactly what time it'll be, so just keep an eye out for a notification tomorrow if you want to watch. Alright, it's done resetting. We'll give that a shot. See if it even does anything. No route to host. It's not quite done resetting yet. Or is it saying no route to host when it's trying to connect back? No. This is just trash. This is absolute garbage.
Beep beep on there goes my phone, and once again I'm just hoping it's a text from you. Oh, it ain't right, read your messages twice, thrice, four.
These are the moments of studying for the OSCP that have driven me nuts, I guess, it's not as exciting anymore. Connection to the remote host timed out. Like, I could sit and watch the output all day, but once it stops and you have to just sit there and wait for more output, and then over and over again, man. It's the same with Bug Bounty. Oh man. Yeah, that's the worst part. It's just sitting around waiting. Can't it just be done with already? Come on. I'm a millennial, gosh darn it, and I want this done right now. Alright, well, I think I'm going to call it a night. Nothing's going to happen there. We didn't get anything done tonight, but we showed up. And that's better than I did the last couple times. It gets really frustrating not finding anything and just scanning and scanning. Yes, yes it does. Yeah, bug bounties, man, I can't imagine. So you're like trying to pen test things that everyone, some of the best have already tried. That's got to be rough. Anywho, I'm gonna call it a night. We'll catch you guys tomorrow, hopefully. Have a good one.